are going to practice some of our parts and total diagrams that you just did with Mrs. Rago. If you don't have your math journal and a pencil, pause the video and go get those now, please. All right, first graders, we are on journal page 18. And you can see Mrs. Faust has a photocopy. That way I can write on the photocopy. And we are doing introducing parts and total diagrams. Page 18. All right, let's read question number 1. It says, Lupe read 5 books in September. She read 4 books in October. How many books did Lupe read in all? Now, I would like for you to think, what are you going to put in the part total? 5 books in September, 4 books in October. Go ahead and put what you think. All right. Well, if she read 5 books in September, that's a part. 5. And she read 4 books in October, that's a part. Do we know our total yet? Or do we have to do some math to figure that out? How am I going to figure that out? I see a number sentence down here. Go ahead and fill in your number sentence, first graders. All right, did you put 5 plus 4 equals? Now do the math to figure that out. There's different strategies. You could count up. You could draw a picture if you wanted to. You could find a number grid or a number line. I think I'm going to count up on this one. I'm going to start with my big number. Which number is bigger? The 5. So I'm going to start with 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. So that is also going to be my total. Oh, and do we see a spot where it also asks us for the answer and it has a unit there? There's a line right here, 9. What's this problem talking about? Is it talking about watermelons? No. Is it talking about apples? No. What's it talking about? It's talking about books. 9 books. Whenever we have a story problem, first graders, we want to make sure we have a unit to go with it. And they happen to have written it for us. Let's look at number 2. Emma has 4 red balloons. She also has some blue balloons. Emma has 10 balloons total. How many balloons are blue? All right. I want you to think about your total part. Do we know a part? Do we know the other part? Or do we know the total? All right. Emma has 4 red balloons, so that's a part. She also has some blue balloons. So this would be our red balloons. This would be our blue, but do we know how many we have yet? We don't. Emma has 10 balloons total. Oh, it actually said the word total there for us. So we know she has 10 balloons all together. We don't know the part yet. That's what we're going to figure out, first graders. So let's think about our number sentence here. How many red balloons does she have? 4. How many blue balloons does she have? We don't know yet. We're going to leave that one blank. But we know that it equals 10. How could we do this? We could count up. We could start at 4 and count up to 10 and see how many it takes us. We could draw a picture. I'm going to draw 10 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that 4 of them are red, so I'm going to cross out the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, if these balloons are red, the rest of them have to be what? They have to be blue. Let's count and see how many are blue. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue balloons. Now I can come over here and fill out my other part. 6. Do you see a spot where you can put your answer with a unit? Yeah, right here. There's an extra line here. 6. What is our unit on this story problem? Blue balloons. We couldn't just write balloons because there's red and there's blue. There are 6 blue balloons. All right, good work, first graders. Have a good rest of your day.